Hey everyone. All right, hey everyone. Model Man Frank here. Here's an update on the Senorita here. Ailerons are in place. Right is up, left is down. So I just have to trim that wire there. I've already set them up pretty well, kind of to zero, and then once the plane is flying, trim it out even more. Flaps are set, but I'm not going to play with them anymore. I'm not going to even I just have them there. So do I want to put flaps in the aircraft? Not really, but they're there for aesthetics if I do decide to try and make them work. Plane needs a couple more things. One is being the windows. Windows will be installed in the next week. And final touches, I still have to put monocoat on the bottom of the wings, on the bottom of the elevator surfaces, and I got to monocoat this area here, which I use to get into the back here. Also just going to seal this up a little bit more, just so air flows over this okay. So I'll put a little triangle stock right here and then blend it in. But other than that, that's really all that needs to be done. I also have to mount the wing for the first time and make sure that these bolts work. It looks like he had already set them up to work before. And I don't know if those are real bolts that are in there that he set up or what. This one here works. If I unscrew it, that actually looks like that's a bolt in there. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to use that or I'm going to drill those out and try and put something else in there. But maybe I'll go to the hardware store and see if I can find something that'll fit in there a little bit better, because these are having a problem. I think these are not the right bolts for it. I don't think he used nylon. I think he actually used real bolts. So I gotta see if I can put my finger up inside and see if I can set that up. Nose gear's working. Tail rudder is working, nose gear is working, and the elevator is working. Okay, so that's also this week I'll do a taxi test out here in my front yard, and we'll see how it runs. Hopefully this prop pulls it along pretty well. I don't see a real big problem with it. I think the prop will do just fine. I may have to set it up in this up position a little bit more, but we'll see. But with all that said, that's all I can do about that, and we'll get it done. So, all right, y'all. That's all I have for this update. We'll talk to you later. Model Man Frank out.